part of the Eating Garbage series, we would normally throw away our peels from things like grapefruit, tangerines, and oranges, but here we are going to prepare it so that we can eat it. So we have to cut off the white part. So just scrape it all off?
Pretty much, yeah.
Okay. So here's what it looks like when we've cleaned it out a bit. You want to see the little dots from the skin. And so we spent a fair amount of time yesterday working on doing that. Like this might be less than perfect. These are looking good. Look at that. And see the dots here? So we've got a little bowl left to go, and we created a lot. This is called the pith, and it's a little bitter. That's why you don't want it. Pithy, right? So we're just working on getting the rest of these going now. Now we wash these and we put it into the pot to get it ready. Okay, slice the peels into strips. So it's boiling just water?
Mm-hmm. So yeah, you do this to get the bitterness out.
Oh.
And then a lot of recipes say to do it multiple times. The one I did, I only boiled the water once before adding the sugar.
Okay. And how much sugar will it take?
When I did it, it was 2 orange peels, and it was, I forget how much sugar, it was maybe a cup or so.
So we have the sugar water from when we did that. Are we going to use it?
If it seems just like it's good, I'd say so.
So we're going to open it and taste it?
Sure.
Okay. All right. Pour the water out.
So now we are deciding whether or not to do, oh, I didn't lose any orange, did I?
A second boiling to get the bitter out,
Yeah, that's what this is mainly for.
or just go for the sugar. Whatever you want. What do you want? With the sugar, do we have to watch it a lot?
A little bit. Yeah, toward the end mainly. Okay, I think that's most of the water. Yeah.
Okay, so it's boiling for the second time. We're gonna add sugar.
We're gonna pour out the water first and then add the sugar.
Okay. Dumping for the second time. Okay.
Alright, looks pretty good.
The discussion is, should we go with the old stuff?
It's not even that old.
Alright, if that's what you want, do it.
Did it taste bad to you? You didn't try this one, did you?
No, but you didn't shake it up. It has a lot of concentrate at the bottom.
Maybe that's sugar.
Or maybe it's peel or something.
Let's see. It's filming.
Is it sweet?
Maybe a little bit. I mean, I'm also dipping it on my finger, so.
Alright, well, whatever. Just do it.
Alright.
This time we have to toss it out when it's done, though. It doesn't make
Yeah.
sense to keep using the same sugar water over and over again.
That's fine.
I don't know.
Okay.
Let's get it started and check
We're
it.
gonna boil it.
Check it every 5 minutes or so.
Yeah.
5 minutes later.
It's actually been 7.
7 minutes later.
Yeah, it doesn't matter. So it's still boiling.
Okay. So 7 more minutes.
Something like that.
Okay. Bubble, double, boil and bubble. Trouble. Trouble, trouble, boil and double.
It's boiling.
That's what I meant.
So
How long has it been?
I don't know.
About 10 more minutes after
I
the
don't
last
think that
time.
much longer.
Huh?
I don't think that much longer. But we're gonna turn the heat down so that it's at a simmer, and then we'll check it periodically.
Do you
over
need
the
to
next-
stir it so that nothing burns at the bottom?
Whenever we check, we'll just stir it, yeah,
Okay. How often is periodically?
until it starts to boil again, maybe. I don't know.
Every 5 minutes? Or
Maybe not that frequently.
oh, okay.
I don't
Every
know.
10 minutes?
Five or 10, we'll see.
Okay.
I mean, you probably should do more frequently than 10 minutes, but
Split the
we're watching
difference.
TV, so
Every 7.5 minutes then.
something like
Okay. Okay, so what's next?
that. So we reduced the heat a little bit because it's water. Some water is evaporating and it's boiling again. So
Let me see.
so yeah, it's been what, like 20 minutes maybe. So we should have another 40 or so.
Whose idea was it to start it so late? That.
So because it's late, we left the heat a little higher, but it's been going for over an hour now. And so the liquid that's left, you can see, is a lot darker now, or a lot more yellow. So the peels, right? The peels are more translucent and they look sugary, or shiny, right? Now the recipe that we were going off of said to actually use a candy thermometer, but we don't have one. So because the liquid's almost gone and we're tired, we're gonna call it. I tried it along the way like twice, and it was a lot sweeter than before, obviously. I think it'll be okay. So they say to use a cooling rack. Again, that's something we don't have. So we're just going to put them on top of this like pizza tray with holes in it.
Okay.
So yeah. Alright,
Right, that's it.